What should we get Aunt Tara for Christmas?
How about a choo-choo train?
I think we should get her a blotch.
You mean a choo-choo train?
No, I think we should get her a blotch.
You mean a choo-choo train?
Do you think we should get her a blotch, Daddy?
Get her a blotch.
How about let's get her a choo-choo train?
Don't you think Tara would like a blotch?
No. Dad, tell my like a choo-choo train.
What are you recording on?
Tell my like a choo-choo train. Right, Ethan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But don't you think we should give her a blotch instead?
No.
You don't think she would like it?
No, I don't think so.
You want a slumber party with Aunt Tara?
No.
You don't?
How about sleepover?
How about just a sleepover at William's house?
I think we have to go to Tara's house and do a sleepover.
You want to go do a sleepover in Chicago?
No.
No. You
How
want?
about when you see the Robin?
Well, we could do that too.
How about when you see the Robin?
Can she sleep in your bed?
No.
No.
No. Too bad. Horsey might tell.
Horsey might tell?
Yeah.
Where should Tara sleep?
She could sleep on the floor.
You think she'd be comfortable there?
Yeah. I think so.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a good idea. What's that finger thing you're doing, Will?
Snapping.
Snap